Electric skateboards have rapidly emerged as a thrilling mode of urban transportation, blending convenience with excitement for enthusiasts worldwide. As technology advances, the market floods with a lot of options, making it increasingly challenging to navigate the best choices. From sleek designs to impressive performance capabilities, the top electric skateboards boast cutting-edge features that cater to diverse riding styles and preferences. Delving into the world of electric skateboards unveils a landscape where innovation meets adrenaline, offering riders an electrifying experience on the streets like never before. Let's explore the top 7 electric skateboards that stand out amidst this dynamic ecosystem, setting the standard for exhilarating rides and seamless commuting. Number 7. WowGo 3E. For the skater who wants to commute to work and ride for fun in the same day, the WowGo 3E is a versatile board that's agile enough to weave through crowded city streets and stable enough to feel secure over long distances. With a blend of style and power that promises a smooth ride, this board is designed to cater to both newcomers and experienced riders alike. Its user-friendly controls and stable platform offer a gentle introduction to the world of electric skateboarding, yet the powerful motor and responsive handling are a delight for riders looking to push their limits. The board charges in only 2.5 hours, so you can get back to riding in no time, and it has 2 wheel options, smooth 90mm wheels or grippy 105mm cloud wheels to suit your riding style. And with a 330-pound weight capacity, it truly is a board for all riders. Number 6. Evolve Stoke. If you're looking for a board that closely rivals the aesthetic of a traditional longboard, the Evolve Stoke is made of 4-ply bamboo and has brightly colored 85mm orangutan kagwama wheels for that classic California style. But the Stoke also stands out for its performance. Evolve's premium electric skateboards offer that endless carving sensation snowboarders, surfers, and all board riders seek, says Jarvis. The removable battery is travel-friendly, and the board has smooth, regenerative brakes, which recharge your batteries when you need to come to a stop. While this board is best for riders who want an electric option, it's customizable enough for beginners too. Number 5. Meepo Hurricane. Have a long commute or just want to cruise around for hours without draining the battery? The Meepo Hurricane is built to cover serious distances with an impressive 44-mile range. Most boards top out around 20 miles, save for the Exway Atlas Pro, which can travel more than 100 miles with a pricey auxiliary battery pack. And when you're covering such distances, durability is a main consideration, as you don't want to be left stranded far from home. Fortunately, the deck is made of a strong carbon fiber and the battery pack is well positioned so it doesn't get knocked around while you're riding. While it's not the most agile board on this list, the Hurricane is built for going fast and far, as evidenced by the stiff deck and stable trucks. Depending on your riding style and road conditions, you can choose between 4 speeds and 4 braking intensities, all adjustable via a wireless remote control. Number 4. Exway Atlas Pro Forward LED. Not just any electric skateboard can tackle tough roads and trails. You need a board with adequate power, maneuverability, and treaded tires for off-roading. And as one of the most capable skateboards around, the Exway Atlas Pro does not disappoint, but its performance capabilities come at the cost of price and weight. For those willing to spend the money, the Atlas Pro is a powerful machine with high-tech features. As we mentioned above, Exway's Xskate app has a lot of functionality, including the ability to log rides, customize the drive mode, and even put it into cruise control. But this board also features aluminum precision hubs, which have a quick release feature so you can change a tire quickly, and a 7,056W motor capable of charging up 60% grade hills. Bash guards protect the rear motor in case you encounter rocks, and mud guards cover the tires for rainy day riding. If you want to push the limits of an electric skateboard, this should be your trusty steed. Number 3. WowGo Mini 2S. Electric skateboards can be heavy and annoying to lug around, especially if you're used to a traditional board. So for people pressed for space or that just want extra maneuverability, that's where mini e-skateboards come in. At around 17 pounds, this compact board from WowGo is one of the lightest we've seen. You can easily grab it and go whether you're bringing it on the subway or carrying it up a flight upstairs. Thanks to its weight, the WowGo Mini 2S is fun and sporty, and it has a concave deck where your feet can nestle in and feel grounded with every turn. The board comes with built-in shock absorbers and 90mm polyurethane wheels, but you can substitute 105mm cloud wheels if you want to cushion your ride on rough surfaces. And while most skateboards, especially models in this price range, can tackle hills with 20% grades, The WowGo Mini 2S can tackle grades up to 30%. If you test it out and find that the small size doesn't meet your needs, it comes with a 180-day warranty for peace of mind. Number 2. Backfire G2. If you're in search of an electric skateboard that hits the sweet spot between affordability and performance, the Backfire G2 should be at the top of your list. This little guy is powerful on flat ground. It cruises at a decent top speed and could boost off to the front of the pack if, say, you pull up to an intersection alongside other commuters on bikes thanks to its rapid acceleration. Although the G2 moves fast, it doesn't have the rest of the bells and whistles found on more expensive models. There's no regenerative braking technology, so the range is relatively low, and the wide deck is a bit clunky to maneuver. But for around $400, there aren't many boards better than this one. Number 1. Exway Flex Pro. We rank this do-it-all skateboard as the best overall because of its sheer versatility. It is stable enough for beginners, yet completely customizable through the Xskate app, so it's ready for even the most experienced riders. Plus, it has a high max load and plenty of power to climb nearly any hill you throw in front of it. What's more, its versatility doesn't compromise the ride experience. The deck flexes nicely and is easy to turn thanks to subtle foot pockets that cradle your foot. The remote control is intuitive, even for a beginner, as you can control your speed with a flick of a finger on the thumb wheel. Ultimately, this is a great choice for most riders looking for a punchy, powerful board that doesn't disappoint for commutes or recreational riding. Keep an eye out for the Flex Pro 2 that's set for release later this year. And that concludes our journey through the world of the best electric skateboards. If you found this exploration helpful, we'd like you to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Which of these electrifying rides caught your attention? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Your engagement means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for a continuous supply of informative content, keeping you updated with the latest advancements in electric skateboard technology. Until our next encounter, thank you for tuning in, and we eagerly await your return for our next video.